Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shadrach. Today I'm super excited to be sharing with you the unboxing and my first experience with the G7 glucose monitor from Dexcom. This is the improvement from the G6, and I want to mention that I'm not diabetic, but I think it's important to monitor how certain foods impact my sugar levels. So let's get down to it. So here's the monitor. Let's open it and see what's inside. The packaging is a bit solid. There you have it. Inside, there's a manual to follow, and they give you some cover pages. So here's the huge manual. You can go through it. You're gonna have to put it, I'm gonna be putting it somewhere here. And here's the button. Once you put it in, press this button and then it goes in, start monitoring. So there you go. See, there's a pin on the inside here. Show if you can see it. So this one goes, put it, and then you press. See? There you have it. It's a bit pinchy. But after that, let's go to the app and connect this to the app. Once everything is set up, the G7 will continuously monitor your glucose levels. That is ideal to monitor how certain food impact your sugar levels. Like I mentioned before, I'm not diabetic, so for the next 7 days, I'm going to continue as normal to see how certain foods impact my glucose levels. Thanks for joining me on this unboxing and the initial setup of the G7 Dexcom monitor. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. See you in the next one. Cheers.